Welcome to How to Build Your Financial IQ series. Just about all of us recognize that a person with a mental IQ of 130 is supposedly brighter than a person with an IQ of 95. The same parallels can be drawn with financial IQ. You are able to be the equivalent of a genius when it comes to academic intelligence, but the same as a cretin when it comes to financial intelligence. Often people ask, what is the difference between financial intelligence and financial IQ? The answer is, financial intelligence is that share of our mental intelligence we apply to solve our financial troubles. Financial IQ is the measure of that intelligence. It's how we measure our financial intelligence. Take a look at this graph. For instance, if a person earns $100,000 and pays 20% in taxes, they bear a higher financial IQ than somebody who earns $100,000 and pays 50% in taxes. In this illustration, the individual who earns a net $80,000 after taxes has a greater financial IQ than the individual who earns a net $50,000 after taxes. Both have financial intelligence. The one who holds on to more money, however, has a higher financial IQ. What we will cover here in this series: we will cover earning money. We'll look at solving the income dilemma, as well as how to start your own website with free tools, hub pages, or Squidoo. As well, we'll cover finance tips. We'll look at empowerment for prosperity and where to find hypnotherapy for empowerment. We'll also look at how to get debt-free. Finally, we'll take a look at thinking like a millionaire. We'll look at how to do it, and we'll also play the millionaire game. By the time we finish this series, you should be able to answer these questions better. Do you have a millionaire mind? Why do some people seem to get rich easily? Why do the rich get richer? The secret is that wealthy people have a millionaire mental money attitude and a high financial IQ. So let's get started.